Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfultoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Untapped Potential Within. Just when you thought it was a dead-end road, God opened up a new door you never knew existed. For when you were too focused on the mountain, confusion and doubt invaded your mind. When you took a step back, quieted your mind, you remembered your source again. You realized the infinite and limitless source you serve and your untapped potential within. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's amazing. I completely agree with this poem. Sometimes you get so focused on something, you're trying to force it so hard and get it done. You don't realize that it's your ego taking over, when you should just relax and let go and let God open the doors. He will. Those doors will open when the time is right. Sometimes you think it's not, but just have faith. Quiet your mind, relax, let it go. It'll happen. Believe. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.